lot of people here. I think you could be louder. Good morning. My name is John Taylor. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Sales here at Carowinds. We are absolutely thrilled to bring you Copperhead Strike, Blue Ridge Junction, and other exciting attractions and facilities to you this year. This morning, I think I have the best job of anyone because I have the honor of granting the first rides on Copperhead Strike. Each year, Carowinds donates to a different charity the opportunity to auction off the first rides of the season. This year, the charity is the Make-A-Wish Foundation of Central and Western North Carolina. Did you know that every 34 minutes in the United States and its territories, Make-A-Wish grants the wish of a child diagnosed with a life-threatening medical condition? That's a lot of wishes granted, representing a lot of very impressive work. At a recent live auction fundraiser for our local Make-A-Wish chapter, 48 riders, which are off over here to my right, won the first rides on Copperhead Strike. This donation brought in a staggering $10,692. And this donation will enable Make-A-Wish to grant a high-cost wish and create a life-changing experience for a local family. I'd like to invite Lisa to come back up here and help me give this check to the Make-A-Wish board member Carolyn Roach, an executive at Geldwin. I'd also like to welcome Elliot Cappers and his family. Elliot's wish was granted recently when he joined the Cincinnati Reds as a manager for the day. Elliot will be riding in the front row of the first ride on Copperhead Strike. Let's give one last round of applause to these individuals and to the 48 individuals and riders next to me that donated to this incredibly wonderful cause.